Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a Sri Lankan special snack or breakfast. This is a fish bun, also called as malu pan. So first for the bun, add some flour, instant dry yeast, milk powder, sugar, salt. Mix everything really well. Add in some butter and 1 egg. Mix it to the flour. Now slowly start adding some warm water and make this into a dough. Now knead this dough really well for 5-10 minutes until it becomes really soft. After kneading, cover the bowl and keep it aside for 1 hour and let it get proofed. Now let's make the fish filling. Into a pan, add in some oil and saute some onion till it becomes translucent. Add some ginger and garlic paste. Saute it. Add some chopped green chilies and finely chopped curry leaves. Chopped bell peppers. Add the spice powders like turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. You can also add in any meat powder if you like. Now add in some boiled potatoes. Saute it. Now finally add in some boiled fish. So I boiled this fish with some salt and turmeric powder. You can also use canned fish. Any type of fish will work fine in this recipe. Sprinkle some salt and mix it. Finally drizzle some lemon juice. And our tasty fish filling is ready. Now let's check with the bread dough. It got proofed really well. First deflate the dough, take that onto your countertop. Now let's divide this into small pieces to make the bun. So here I got 12 pieces, so we're going to make 12 buns out of it. So take each piece and make small balls like this and keep it aside. Now let's start making the triangle bun with the filling. So press down each ball, add some filling in the middle and fold it in the shape of a triangle. Make sure to seal the edges because we will keep these buns for a second proofing for half an hour. So if you don't seal the edges properly, it will open up from the bottom. Now place this on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and similarly make all the other buns. Now once you're done making all the buns, keep it aside for half an hour for second proofing. And after that, give all the buns an egg wash. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And bake these buns in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until you can see nice golden shade on top. Our soft and hot fish buns are ready. It's delicious to have with a hot cup of tea. This has a tasty fish filling inside with soft bun. So definitely try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.